Industrial machinery is used across many industries, and is defined as technology, tools, and equipment commonly utilized in manufacturing, processing, production, and construction. These machines include straightforward tools to complex robotics and systems. The machines require extensive testing in design and for performance monitoring. Interface products are found in heavy machinery used in commercial and industrial sites. Interfaces load cells are designed into robots to allow for more precise and delicate tasks. Playing a critical role by maintaining integrity and quality in industrial operations, our load cells are integrated into automation systems and safety mechanisms. Interface load cells, torque transducers, multi-axis sensors, load shackles and instrumentation provide industrial engineers and manufacturers high-quality data that monitors and confirms the design and action processes of their equipment. As the machine building space becomes more precise with the evolution of automation and focus on efficiency across industrial facilities, force measurement becomes a necessity to machine builders. The accuracy of these devices is critical to high-quality outcomes, low costs and most importantly, worker safety. Our load cells and machine tools help to prevent damage to tools and workpieces by monitoring cutting forces. Interfaces force sensors empower industrial machinery in all industries the ability to monitor, regulate, and assure safety in production processes. From manufacturing to assembly, interfaces force sensors are frequently integrated into industrial machines to measure and monitor the forces exerted during different operations.